we are going to start with a chassé and a ball change, a chassé and a ball change. One right, one left, nice and flowy, putting us in the Christmas spirit. 5, 6, 7, we go chassé and ball change, chassé and ball change. One more time. 6, 7, we go chassé and ball change, chassé and ball change. Amazing. From here we rock it right, rock it left. This is slow. All the way around, we hit and hit. Great, so that was right, left, all the way around and up. Try it. 5, 6, 7, we go right and left and all the way around and up. Great, from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go chassé, ball change, chassé, ball change, right and left and then all the way around, hit and hit. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we go chassé, ball change, chassé, ball change, right, left, all the way around, and hit. Amazing. From here, we're gonna do a little flick, right foot first, flick, and left leg flick, and then we run. A run, 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 3 times. So we came from here. We go a flick, and a flick, and a run, run, run. Amazing. 5, 6, let's do it again. We go flick, and a flick, and a run, run, run. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. A flick, and a flick, and a run, run, run. From the top. 5, 6, 7, we go up, and ball change, chassé, ball change, hit, hit, all the way around, and hit, a step, flick, flick, a run, run, run. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go chassé, ball change, chassé, ball change, hit, hit, all the way around, and hit, step, flick, flick, a run, run, run. Let's finish it off. We go up and up. So that was right, left, right and left. And then we burst it out like we're throwing snow in the air. And then we pose, and that's the end. Amazing. So that was up and burst and pose. Great. You have lots of time on this. Really make it your own. 5, 6, from bring it up and burst and pose. Amazing. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we go up and burst and hit. Amazing. We learned the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go chassé, ball change, chassé, ball change, hit to the left, all the way around and hit. Step, flick, a run, run, run. We bring it up, and burst and pose. From the top, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we go side, ball change, side, ball change, hit, and hit. All the way around and hit. Step, flick. We run, run, run. We bring it up, and we burst and pose. Great work. Click the next link to try it with music. Woo.